for a star to contain a habitable planet, there are a few things that are necessary. First, I believe that the star has to be in a suitable area, so probably like in a galaxy or something like that. A star that's just floating out in space could run into a black hole, or something out of it, something in the universe that's just not very good for life, right? Like a black hole, you don't want that to be anywhere near you. Also, the star has to be dense enough that it's able to keep the planet in gravitation of the star, like the sun. The sun is an averagely dense planet, and so it's dense enough to actually have 8 planets in orbit. So the density is that's important. It also has to produce enough heat that the life on the planet does not freeze, which is something that's very easy to do in space. And so yeah, it has to be dense enough to keep gravity, and it also has to produce enough heat that the life can survive. And other than that, I can't really think of many more things that are necessary. I know a planet needs water, but I'm not sure how a star could affect if a planet has water on it or not. I guess if it's hot enough. So I guess that goes again towards producing heat for a planet to be suitable for life. So yeah.